Hey, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video, working on the jet ski again. Here's our issue. When you plug this in, sometimes you push this switch, what happens, then it does that, then see how it doesn't want to crank all the time? So you don't want to crank all the time. And what it is there's a relay in there, in a box we'll show you, and that relay looks exactly like this one here. So the relay looks like this. See, it's got a wire hookup, a couple nuts. We're going to show you how to put one of these in. Remember, safety first. We're going to unhook the battery, and then we'll show you where this is located. So as you can see, the first step is we took this ground wire right here off the battery. Now there are some tabs here that we can flip this open. You do not have to take these bolts out, all right? What you do have to do is there's some tabs up here you have to push in, and a tab down here. So we're going to climb up there, push those in, pop that top off, and show you what's underneath. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take these wires loose. Note that there are 3 red wires on there going to the other ones. That goes right to our battery. We'll take those loose, then we'll take that other one loose, and underneath here there's going to be a clip to pop out, and I don't know how much of this is going to be able to show you, but we're going to try. We'll start here, 10mm socket. Take this wire loose. Kind of get it out of the way. Take this wire loose. And here you got to take this wire off and these other 3 little wires off. No special sequence to put them in, all right? Then right down here, it's hard to see in the photo, but right here, this little tab you can lift up, slide this off. See how that unplugged? That's the one that's going to go in the other fitting. Now we're going to see if it's still 10mm for these. Looks like it is. Take this one out. That easy. And we're going to compare the two. Make sure the hookups look the same. Make sure everything looks the same. And we're going to go ahead and put this one back in. Put this in, same way you took it out. Down like this, and we'll try to get the screw that held it down in here. Matter of fact, the one that's in the back that's hard to get at, put it in the hole, put your wrench on it. Get started a little bit. Do the other one. Very hard to work in here. Hard for me to get these started and allow you to see it. But remember, it's in plastic, so don't strip it. And get your lower connector loose here. You can see how that was. You plug that back in before you fully tighten the thing, just to make sure you can get it back in. It is not easy because there's not a lot of space. Matter of fact, probably better off to just put this on before you put it in. That was not easy. But now we're going to try to get the back one on. Back bolt in here again. Go around the other side again. May have to lose the camera again. Nope, got it. Remember, when you put this back together, you got this little O-ring on here that's got to be on the outside of this box. And now we're going to tighten these up. Yep, that should work. We're going to put the odd nuts back on this old one. So now we have to put this cover back on. I said you gotta make sure that O-ring's all the way down. It is. So now we can put this cover back on. Bring it up here. Line it up here. Make sure everything is lined up. Hear them click. You can feel them. You put your hand down there. You feel that click. You can hear it click. That's on. We got to hook up the battery. Again. I got to be careful not to lose the lead. Going to keep the old one as a spare. Hook this up. As soon as I push the button, it takes off. So that's perfect. That is fixed. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, Amazon links below for the part. Do make sure you're getting the one that's for your exact model. I'll put a link to get you to Amazon to get you the part. If it ain't the right part, though, you got to make sure. So make sure you know all the stuff about your model number when you order your part, because some of them are slightly different. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support. If you're going to shop Amazon, use the link below. Anything you buy helps support this channel. Thanks a bunch.